to my YouTube channel. This is Crazy Crypto here again with the best project. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project where you can earn a lot of profits. Friends, before starting our video, request to newcomers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin the review. Friends, today project is a True Point, and you can see the leading Web3 revolution in the marketing and community engagement. So friends, my name is Abbas, and you can see stuck in the traffic, waiting in the line. Why not paid for it? With True Points, watch short ads during the commute and earn instant blockchain rewards. So, friends, closing your everyone movements just become a money making movements. What is the point? True Point is a rewarded based platform that turn your attention into real value. Users get rewarded for watching ads, engaging the content, and staying active on the platform. So friend, you can get profit by get earning by watching ads, and you can see how can you earn profits about True Point. You can see everything is there. True Points withdraw inspiration from the introductions and the clarity and attractives and a plan place where purity and transparency against the regions and today's covers for the characteristic and also advertising words where comments and consistency and the comments on the noise. You can see our blockchain powered platform introduce a revolutionary way to use uses interest and the bonds. So friend, you can see everything is air and add you can choose watch it's a transparency verified on the blockchain, ensuring full cryptocurrency. So friend, will tell you earn points for every second and True Points with watching your action takes users and True Points. Level up, the more you engage and more perks and exclusive rewards you unlock. So friend, like that you can earn profits. If we talk about the redeem rewards, point can be redeemed for digital assets, discounts, loyalty perks, and earn crypto depending on the campaign models. And also you can see and these are the main points of the projects. You can see the key heights and the match. You can see intention in the new currency. Why watch ads to free when you can earn from them? NFT loyalty system points and trackables and stored using blockchain technology for transparency, and also why blockchain matters. The true points trust and transparency are not the optional, they have built in. Also they here is the what blockchain enables and True Points that is everyone interested in platform. You can see why True Points these are the main points of the engagement page of it's not just about views, it's participating and about the loyalty. And you can see participating in the loyalty game field and also experience users enjoy a fun and label based reward system that keep them coming back. So friends, how it works, you can see everything is very clear. Decide option in engagement and also earning in their community. If we talk about True Points have their community also. If we talk about their growth, you can see their roadmap is very and also we'll tell you the team and their everything about it. You can see about the True Points everything, Nibila and their CEO, and also you can see attracting inspirations way to the points and the True Points models, everything is there. Brand solutions for everyone. What makes us different, you can see what make them different. Blockchain rewards and also interactive ad placements and so gamified viewing. And also you can see the NFT layers are there and NFT layers for engagements and everything you can find from here real times. And if we talk about their roadmap, phases are there. They have 5 phases, and you can see timeline, month, objective, establish, launch, affiliate models and FT collections, launch and completed, and also affiliate investment plans launched year completed, and investors dashboards and ROI systems, live view trackers and new ownerships are there. And if you talk about the phases, growth, viral scaling, and phase 1 foundation and launch, and phase 3. So everything is very fine friend. You can easily catch them from their products and easily earn from here. The True Point website is also very good, and you can see how they giving profits and earning for the people. So friend, if you are some who spend time online watching videos, scrolling through ads, true points let you turn that time into reward, join and now make your attention count. So thank you very much, see you in the next video. Very